Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, park level, set the electronic brake, and take the smart key away. Put on gloves and glasses. This prevents sparks and corrosion contact. Open the front luggage compartment, lift the cover, and remove the plastic retainers so you can see the battery. Once exposed, identify the negative terminal first and prepare your 10 mm socket and terminal puller. You disconnect negative before positive to avoid shorting. Make sure to rest the removed nuts into a clean tray so nothing wanders off. You now remove the battery. Once negative is off, loosen and remove the positive terminal and move both cables clear. Unscrew the hold-down bracket with your 13 mm spanner. Batteries are heavy, lift with both hands and knees bent. Clean terminal clamps with a wire brush if corroded. This ensures good contact. Set the new battery into the tray the same way the old one sat. Refit the hold-down, then attach the positive terminal first so control modules receive power in correct order. Finally, attach the negative terminal. Once done, start the car and watch the dash. You may see transient warnings. The Evoque often needs battery registration so the car's computers recognize the new unit. Make sure both terminals are tight and the battery does not shift. A loose clamp causes intermittent faults. If a persistent warning remains, perform a battery registration procedure per your manual or use an OBD-ROMAN2 tool. Otherwise, consult a technician. One troubleshooting tip. If electronics behave oddly, recheck terminal polarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.